But getting you more voices from the battlefield itself, the very important, very symbolic seat of Shingur, which is the place where Mamata Banerjee had staged her entire agitation against the left government more than a decade ago. We have Mausami Singh on the ground in Shingur, live with the BJP's candidate from there, Rabindranath Bhattacharya. Mausami, what's the mood on the ground? What's happening? Over to you.
Shiv, and the anchor for that entire agitation that Mamata Banerjee did kickstart was in fact Rabindranath Bhattacharya, who was the TMC MLA since 2001. He's been 4-time MLAs from this constituency, and this time round he switched sides. We'll take that question to him and ask him, Master Mushai, as he's popularly called in this area, Dada, क्यों पार्टी बदली आपने क्यों नाराज थे? Why were you upset with the TMC?
I changed the party for the reckless corruption in this Shingur of Trinamool Congress. I protested the corruption, but they thought me as their foe. They insulted me and thought that I am anti-party man. So they called me a very greedy old man.
So is this revenge that you're seeking? And also importantly, they said that your age was 89, and that's why, due to the age factor, Mamata denied your ticket.
No, I am not revengeful to Mamata. I am protesting only the corruption of the leaders of Shingur TMC party. So I left them and took the opposition, took their protest from the platform of BJP political party.
But are you happy being with the BJP? Are winds of change blowing in Shingur? Yes. Do you think that you're in fact, you are the core of the agitation, and now you're saying there'll be industrialization in Shingur? Why that change in stand?
Yes, I also think that Shingur will be prosperous by two kinds. Prosper in agricultural way and establishment of industry in Shingur also. Industry and agriculture will benefit the people of Shingur.
In the Sankalp Patra, Amit Shah said he's promised a 500 crore intervention as far as potatoes are concerned. Importantly, do you think that the BJP on its plank of industrialization will be able to win a battle where Mamata in fact came into power after throwing out the nano factory?
Yes, I think if the government of BJP is installed in West Bengal and the government of Delhi center is in power, Bharatiya Janata Party, both will try to establish Shingur establishment of industry. I will also take part as far as possible to establish industry in Shingur also.
So do you think that there is a change that is required?
So change should be done in government level. West Bengal government, if is run by the BJP, then center and West Bengal government will do everything fruitful for the establishment of industry as well as the agricultural also.
What's the reason, Shiv? We've seen Mamata Banerjee do rallies here, but she's never directly attacked you. Contrary to, if you look at Nandigram, she's pitched against Suvendu Adhikari, and it's a very bitter battle. But here she's never directly attacked you. What's the reason behind that?
She respects me, I also respect him, so I cannot call her in ill name or ill treatment. I cannot do to her.
You think you're going to win this time, sir?
Yes, I am hopeful about this time I shall win from Shingur as an MLA of BJP.
So there you are, Shiv in Shingur, which is a prestige battle for Mamata Banerjee. The old hat of the Trinamool Congress switching sides has made it a really difficult and challenging task for the Trinamool there.
The hallowed soil of Shingur, from where Mamta Banerjee rose to the towering figure she is in Bengal today. Thanks very much, Mosmi, for getting us that live exclusive from Shingur. We'll get you more such voices from the battleground that is Bengal in this fourth phase of polling today. Very quick break. On the other side, more developing stories. Remember, the Prime Minister will be addressing a rally at 12, and there are press conferences on the entire audio leak controversy expected in a short while. Lots of updates on the other side. Stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.